Jive, simple and easy way. So we go 1, 2 in place, then we have a triple step in place. Triple step. 1, 2, triple step. 1, 2, triple step. 1, 2, triple step. And then we can develop that into rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step. Excellent. Triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. And what makes jive? Jive is the rhythm. So we're going to add a little bit dropping action to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How else we can develop this step? So instead of doing rock step back here, only 1 triple step, we can go a second rock step here, and we have only 1 triple step. Triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step. Also in jive, very characteristic is the kicks. So instead of doing triple step, we can add kick, side, kick, side. So it's going to look like this: rock, step, kick, side,